Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, 4Runner Motorsports. I'm Travis. Today we're going to be starting the 4Runner build. We're going to start by pulling out the dash. We're going to get ready to start laying some pipe, do some roll cage. This is the vehicle that we went to California for in a previous video to pick up the PRP seats, the black with the gold pinstripe. If you guys want to check it out, it's already been gutted except for the dash and center console. That's what we're going to focus on today. Before anything else, I guess let's get to it. We got a lot more room. We got about 500 plugs we got to figure out. Now we can start figuring out where we're going to start laying out the pipe for the cage. And then we're going to get a fiberglass dash to replace all that with, so it should turn out pretty nicely. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll get back to you with part 2.